In case the car breaks down somewhere in the field, in the forest, like the situation now, and there is an electric spare wheel in the trunk, you can connect it to the trunk loop, attach it, and drive up to 20 kilometers at a speed of up to 50 kilometers per hour. Now we will show how it is attached and accordingly how we will drive. And the attachment is secured to the trunk loop. This all takes 2 minutes. The attachment is rotatable to handle turns. If it were solid, the attachment would break off, and accordingly we close the trunk. That's it. You can attach the wheel, connect the wires, and go.